Videos we have learned about acid, base. After that, some indicators about indicators like China rose indicator, turmeric, and litmus paper. After that, about neutralization also we had learned. And what is neutralization? Once again I am reminding you that the reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. Salt and water are produced in this process with the evaluation of heat. And what is the equation of neutralization? Acid plus base gives salt plus water, and heat is evolved. So after this, now in this video we'll learn about neutralization in everyday life. It means that how neutralization that help us in everyday life. So for that, here in our textbook only given that many topics like indigestion and ant bite, soil treatment, factory waste. It means many topics are there. So now first, and one more thing, that neutralization process also, when acid mix with base. Okay, so it means that when an acidic solution it mix with the basic solution, both the solution neutralize the effect of each other. It means, so here when we learn that neutralization in everyday life. So our first topic is indigestion. Indigestion, it means, in second lesson only you have learned about hydrochloric acid. It means that our stomach contain hydrochloric acid. And that it helps us to digest food. It means we can say that it is good for us. So but sometime when we eat some very that spicy food, or sometimes too much food, so sometime too much of acid in the stomach, and that's why causes indigestion also. And that sometimes indigestion is painful also. It means then painful, maybe that some stomach pain, or so to relieve indigestion, what we do? Generally we take an antacid such as milk of magnesia, like generally you also Diagen syrup. In your school also you take that Diagen syrup or Diagen tablet. It means that so we take that antacid like milk of magnesia. So that Diagen also contain milk magnesium hydroxide, and magnesium hydroxide is a base. So when when this base enter in our stomach, it means it neutralize the effect of acid present in our stomach. And what will happen? And it neutralize the effect of excessive acid present in our stomach. It means hydrochloric acid, and we feel that relief only. So too much of acid also produced in stomach, and that's why take basic substances to destroy acid. It means the effect of extra acid. So that's why we take that milk of magnesia. It means that antacid. It means that Diagen syrup, which contain that magnesium hydroxide, and magnesium hydroxide is a base. So that magnesium hydroxide will neutralize the effect of excess acid present in our stomach, and we feel relief. After that, second is ant bite. So ant bite, so when an ant bite, what will happen? That some irritation of the skin. So the irritation of the skin due to ant bite is caused because of the presence of formic acid that the ant inject into the skin while biting. It means that ant bite contain formic acid. So when ant bites us, it injects the acidic liquid formic acid into our skin, and the effect of the acid can be neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda. So that's why hence we generally we use some basic substance to neutralize that the effect of acid. So for example, baking soda. It means baking soda or hydrogen carbonate also can use. Calamine lotion also we can use. Zinc carbonate also generally used to treat that insect bite. So put some baking soda, put some water in it and make a paste. Now after that rub this paste on a ant bite, or can apply calamine solution also which contains zinc carbonate, and that we feel relief. Why? Because that baking soda is a base and it will neutralize the effect of acid. It means that formic acid that ant contain. So that's why that an ant bite also we can use that baking soda. It means we can say that neutralization effect help us in our that daily life also. Now next is soil treatment. So that sometimes excessive use of chemical fertilizers also make the soil acidic, sometimes acidic. So that plant do not grow well when the soil is either too acidic or too basic. So that's why when soil is too acidic, it treated with the base to neutralize the effect of extra acid, and when soil is too basic, it treated with the acid to neutralize the effect of the extra base. So plant need a soil which is neutral in nature, but that using chemical fertilizers on soil can turn it into acidic. So to treat acidic soil we use quicklime also, calcium oxide or slake lime, but an basic soil can be treated by the adding organic substances to it, because that organic substances release acids while decomposing into the soil. Now next is factory waste. So that the waste of many factories contain acids. So if they are allowed to that flow into the water bodies like river and all, so what will happen? The acid present in the factory waste will kill the fish, or we can say that other water bodies. It means that other organisms. So that's why factory waste also neutralized by adding basic substances before before allowed to flow into the water bodies. It means the factory waste is acidic in nature and cannot be directly dumped anywhere. So hence bases are added to it before it falls off into the river or stream, so that the aquatic life does not get affected. So here that students, our that lesson acid, bases and salt is over. So just summary I am telling you of this lesson. It means what you have learned in this lesson. So first, acid are sour in taste while bases are bitter in taste. Now second is acid turns blue litmus red while bases turn red litmus blue. Now some substances are there which are not acidic or not basic. It means substances which are neither acidic nor basic are called neutral substances. Now some solutions of substances that show different color in acidic, basic and neutral solution are called indicators. And an acid and a base neutralize each other and form a salt. A salt may be acidic, basic or neutral in nature. So students, here our lesson number 5, acid, bases and salt over, explanation over. Hopefully in next video I will explain that textbook exercise, and after that I will send PDF. So from PDF you can write textbook exercises in your CW. Will meet you soon. Thank you students.